When considering home improvements that add both aesthetic appeal and functional value, window installation is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Whether you're looking to increase your home's resale value, improve its energy efficiency, or simply update its appearance, investing in new windows for your West Valley City home is a smart decision that can deliver significant returns. Windows do more than just let in natural light. They play an essential role in your home's overall comfort, security, and energy efficiency. This article will explore how window installation can boost your West Valley City home's value and improve its appeal to potential buyers. Enhanced curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers or guests see, and windows are one of the key elements that influence this first impression. Outdated, worn-out windows can make even the most well-maintained house look unkempt and tired. On the other hand, new windows can instantly freshen up your home's appearance, giving it a more modern and well-maintained look. Modern styles. Installing modern window styles, such as casement, double-hung, or picture windows, can give your home a fresh, contemporary appearance that attracts buyers. Windows with clean lines and large panes of glass allow for better natural light, making your home look brighter and more inviting. Improved design. Replacing older windows with stylish options that complement your home's architecture can greatly enhance its curb appeal. Whether you go for energy-efficient windows or decorative styles, new windows improve the overall look of your home, making it stand out in your neighborhood. Increased energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Windows are a major factor in your home's energy efficiency. Old, inefficient windows can let air in and out, causing your heating and cooling systems to work overtime, which increases your energy bills. By replacing old windows with energy-efficient models, you can make your home more comfortable year-round, while also saving money on utilities. Energy-efficient features. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced features such as low-E glass, argon gas filling, and multi-pane glazing, all of which help to reduce heat transfer and minimize the need for heating or cooling. In West Valley City, where temperatures can fluctuate, these windows are especially important for maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year. Better insulation. When you install new windows, you're not only improving your home's aesthetic appeal but also enhancing its insulation. Better insulation means lower heating and cooling costs, which is a major selling point for potential buyers. Homes with upgraded energy-efficient windows are more attractive to buyers because they promise long-term savings and a greener living environment. Improved natural light and ventilation. New windows can dramatically improve the natural lighting and ventilation in your home. Bright, airy spaces are much more appealing to potential buyers and can make your home feel more open and spacious. Increased natural light. Large, energy-efficient windows such as picture windows or casement windows allow for greater exposure to natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. This not only helps lower energy costs but also creates a more inviting atmosphere inside your home. Better ventilation. Installing windows that open easily, such as double-hung windows or sliding windows, allows for better airflow and ventilation. Proper ventilation reduces humidity and the risk of mold, creating a healthier environment inside your home. Homes with good airflow and natural light tend to feel more comfortable, which can be a huge selling point when it comes time to sell. Boosting security and protection. New windows can provide added security and protection for your home. Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and are made from more durable materials, making it harder for potential intruders to gain access. Stronger materials. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite windows are durable and resistant to wear and tear. These materials are less likely to warp, crack, or swell, offering better long-term protection for your home. New windows with reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass can help protect your home from weather events and unauthorized entry. Improved locks. Many modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms that provide an extra layer of security. For example, multi-point locks on sliding windows or French doors provide more security than traditional locks, making it harder for intruders to break in. Return on investment, ROI. When it comes to home improvements, window replacement is one of the best ways to boost your home's value without breaking the bank. According to many real estate professionals, window replacement offers an excellent return on investment, ROI. Potential buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes with modern, energy-efficient windows because they know they'll benefit from lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. Increased resale value. Studies show that homes with updated windows often sell faster and for more money compared to homes with old or outdated windows. Investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows can make your home more appealing to buyers, allowing you to recoup your investment when it's time to sell. Conclusion: why you should consider window installation for your West Valley City home. Installing new windows in your West Valley City home can be one of the most effective ways to enhance its value, curb appeal, and functionality. From improving the appearance of your home to reducing your energy bills and providing better security, new windows offer numerous benefits that will make your home more attractive to potential buyers and more comfortable for you and your family. If you're looking to upgrade your home, consider installing energy-efficient windows that will increase its appeal, improve comfort, and provide long-term savings. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to improve your living space, window installation is a smart investment for any homeowner.